All right, today I'm working on a 2002 Ford Escape, but this is a first generation Ford Escape, so this will be applicable to from 2001 up to 2006, and I believe in 2007 they changed. So this is the taillight. Now getting this off, I already removed the bolts because I think it's important what you see behind the light. And the two screws, not bolts, but screws, two Phillips head screws, you remove this one, that's the easy part, but there are these little pressure fittings in here. So once you get those screws out, you have to very carefully pull and pop these guys out. There's one here and one here. And now the trick is that you pop it out, but you don't pull it so far that it breaks this lower one. And these are replaceable. You can get new ones of these if you do break it, but you know, you want to try to avoid. So when I pulled this off, I popped the first one and then was able to pull right at the pressure fitting there and pop the lower one. If you want to pull as close to this as possible, and you can see the orientation. So once this is put back in, and when you put this back in, you just line it up and you push it and it pops in like this. But when you pull it out, you got to pop it out like so. So there's that. So if you are replacing just this lens, you can pop all the bulbs out. These just rotate counterclockwise and pull out. Then you can replace the lens and just put your new lens on. I'll have a link to in the description to a new lens plus bulbs. But if you're coming in and doing a brake bulb, a reverse bulb, or running bulb, this guy turns here like so. The bulb comes out. And this style bulb just pulls directly out. Now I don't have gloves on, so I'm not going to pull that one out, but they're all the same. So you find the orientation they sit. So it sits there, twist, locks into place. You do the same with all of these. I'll put a link to all those bulbs, but that is how you change either the bulb or this whole fitting on both sides. And that's it. And the trick really is just dealing with those fittings there. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up and we'll see you next time.